Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm back with another two great of campus opportunities. Among that, one company name is the MountBlue. It is hiring for the entry-level STE role to the job challenge competition. And another one company is the dzylo. It is hiring for the multiple of positions and varieties of positions. So let's start the video. Let's and the start date of the MountBlue Job Challenge is March 30, 2026. So it started recently. You can guys participate here. And let's see the company description. MountBlue helps companies like with their entry level tech hiring needs. Means they help the other companies like it is mainly a primarily product startup. So let's see more about this contest. The creator of this contest is solely responsible for setting and communicating the eligibility requirements associated with prizes awards to participants, so well as for procurement and distribution of all prizes. Means it's all about a contest. So code directly from our platform which supports over 30 languages. In this challenge, you have to code in their platform only. So you can code, you can write code in any languages because it supports more than 30 languages. How the scoring works means what is the scoring pattern? Like you have to check course, you have to check the course in this GitHub repository in the MountBlue GitHub repo, and you have to solve the problems like that, and you have to complete that challenge. You have to submit your details by clicking that link. Like you have to click this link and you have to submit your details, and there is a short interview with a mentor, and it is a job offer for entry level STE role for MountBlue. So by completing all these tasks, you may get a job role for MountBlue. So let's see the what are the description of the job role. So the role is a software developer engineer. This is a entry level position. So location is Bengaluru, India. So they are providing the basic salary such as 4,20,000. This is a basic entry level salary for freshers as per the industry standards. So like let's see the overview of the job description. So it is a premium service provider and it is looking for a smart and motivated programmers to join the team. They need a creative and motivated programmers to join the team. The candidate must have programming experience at least one of the following languages. Means the person who will join that company have to know at least one languages from the following languages, such as they may have no JavaScript or Java or Python or PHP, Ruby, C or C++. Many people mainly know Java, Python, C++ or C. So if you know any one of these languages, it is okay. They will select you. Selected candidates will go through the extensive 12 to 13 weeks training program, and on successful completing the requirements of the program will be offered the role of a software development engineer. So like who the person clear the interview, they will go through the 12 to 13 weeks training program. So they will train you up to 12 to 13 weeks, means 4 to 5 months. 3 to 4 months, and on successful completing of the requirements of the program, means once you complete the training, you will be offered the role of software development engineer. What are the responsibilities when you join the company? So you work in a team to develop, compile, test, debug and deploy software. This you will complete work as a software engineer. You will develop web and mobile applications using JavaScript, Python, HTML, CSS and Java. So using all these languages and all these softwares, you have to build a web or mobile applications based on the task you get. You have to close to 100% time and defect free software deployments. Write documentation for the softwares and API. You have to document what are the things you are doing. You have to support software during production and provide post fixes. So what are the qualifications that are needed to apply for this role? Familiarly with at least one programming language. Example means any programming language you have to familiar. They mainly prefer the JavaScript, Java, PHP and Python. So they mainly prefer these programming languages. You have good analytical and problem solving skills. So this means DSA. You have good problem solving skills. This learn must DSA. Self-motivated with ability to work in a fast-paced environment. Excellent verbal and written communication. Eagerness to learn new technologies. Means now AI is booming. You have to learn AI or any tools. You have to eager to learn. What are the benefits they are providing by joining this role? Perfect launchpad for a high-flying career in technology. You will get the opportunity to interact with and learn from the CTOs and directors of engineering with leading technology startup in India. You may work with the industry experts and you can contact with them. So by clicking this link, you can apply directly to the website. So let's go to the other one job role, such as Zylo. Zylo is a company which is hiring for the multiple and varieties of positions. So these are the varieties of positions. So why to join Zylo? There is a multiple features such as building real products. This is a product based, both are product based companies. So this is one of the great advantage. What are the benefits and perks Zylo is providing to us? Means they are like flexible work hours. Means there is no 9 to 5. Somewhat like that, you may work any time. There is not clock is missed if you have to log in time, log out that time. So now click that. Like a workspace you will enjoy team outings and fun activities, performance based rewards. Based on your performance, you get rewards. So yeah, the roles available like Zylo is currently hiring for the roles such as one is a QA tester, means 0 to 3 experience, means freshers can also apply, any people can also apply. Another one is the STE1, STE inter. Another is the customer success or tech associate, business development executive. So this is for the executive. If any video editor is there also, you can also apply. Like one is QA tester. The location is Gurgaon and it is full time. So this is all about these Zylo. So there are having multiple positions. If you need any position, so I will give all the links in the description. You can find the all two companies job role in the description. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will daily update the job updates. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, by clicking this apply now link, you will go to the another one form like application for Zylo. Yeah, you have to fill your name, role you are interested in. Like here there are multiple roles such as customer success, STE inter, STE1, QA tester. So depends on the interest of your role. You have to enter your role. You have to enter your email. You have to enter your phone number. You have to enter your location. Like you have to enter language, not Kannada or English. You have to enter like Java, Python, somewhat. You have to upload your CV and you have to submit. So for all those same application form only is there. So don't forget to apply if you need. If you want any help, do comment. I will try to reply you. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and